Question 3, geometry question. We've got a triangle. It's not a right angle triangle. We're given the lengths of 2 of the sides, not the third, but we're given the angle. And we're asked to find the perimeter. And we've got to find the length of AB, and I'm going to call this A. To find it, we need to employ the cosine rule. There's the cosine rule. Side A is opposite angle A, so this in reality is angle A. Okay, let's pop in the values. A squared is equal to, well, it's the other 2 sides. It doesn't matter which order I pick them. Let's say that that is x squared, and this is 3x, now all squared. This will be 9x squared minus 2 times these 2 multiplied together, which is 3x squared, cos of 60 degrees. So tidying this up, we get a squared is equal to, this is 10x squared, and this is 6x squared, multiplied by cos 60, you should know, is a half, one of the standard angles. And the 2 will cancel with a 6, giving us 3. So we've got 10x squared, take away 3x squared. So this is equal to 7x squared. So therefore, A is equal to root 7x. So looking at the answer, we're clearly on the right road. Okay, so therefore the perimeter is equal to these 2 guys, which is 4x plus root 7x. So just as they've done, I can take x out as a common factor. I left inside the bracket with 4 plus root 7. And that is your answer and the proof.